Lock or unlock limit settings on the TBS remote. Open the battery cover on the remote. Select the channel. Hold stop on the remote. The remote will show L or U. L means the remote is locked. U means the remote is unlocked. Press set on the remote. After unlocking the limit settings, you are now able to adjust the upper and lower limits. Search our channel for TBS Limit.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.